mBot is an educational STEM robot kit developed by Makeblock, designed to help beginners, especially students and educators, learn programming, robotics, and electronics in a fun, hands-on way. It is widely used in schools, coding clubs, and robotics competitions because it is easy to assemble, affordable, and compatible with visual programming platforms. mBot follows black or colored lines on the ground. It teaches logic, conditionals, and sensor feedback. It uses an ultrasonic sensor to detect objects. It automatically changes direction to avoid collisions. It is controlled via mobile apps or a computer. And it helps students understand wireless communication. mBot uses RGB LEDs and a buzzer. It creates visual and audio feedback for programs. It introduces decision-making concepts. It is commonly used in beginner robotics contests, and it is ideal for school STEM challenges. It can be expanded with additional Makeblock modules. It encourages creativity and experimentation.